Hi everyone, this is Autumn and welcome back to the channel. We'll be uploading more videos in the future like this one, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. With that being said, let's get into it. Stryker radios, like the Stryker 447HPC here, are one of the most popular 10-meter radio brands available, so it's no surprise that one of the best features is a built-in protection system against damage caused by antenna system issues. If your antenna system has a problem or isn't installed properly, it can cause damage to your radio. Stryker radios test your antenna system every time you key your microphone, so if the radios detect an SWR reading higher than a 2, that could damage the radio. The radio will stop transmitting and flash E4 on the channel display, followed by a loud sound. If you see this message, it means you have a problem in your antenna system. As I mentioned before, the radio will not allow you to transmit until you fix this problem. This is actually a really nice feature to have because without this protection system, the damage you cause could be severe. The big question here is, what do you do if you see this message? You'll need to check your antenna system, the coax cable, the antenna mount, and the antenna for any obvious corrosion or damage. With this, make sure your antenna stud is installed correctly. If you're not sure how, I've went ahead and linked our video in the description box down below and on the screen. When you check, you may see that you need to replace all or some of the components in your antenna system to get this issue fixed. That being said, we offer toll-free technical support here at Walcott Radio on any equipment purchased from us. If you need help trying to figure out exactly what your antenna system problem is, please reach out by phone or email or stop by and we'll do what we can to assist you. As always, get talking, we'll help. I'll see you next time.